Imagine floating in black ocean water and seeing a creature rise out of the dark that looks less like a fish and more like a mistake from another age. That creature is the lancetfish, and NOAA says it looks like it swam out of prehistoric time. One glance at its giant eyes, fang-lined jaws, and towering sail-like fin makes that description feel completely fair. It does not look sleek like a tuna or graceful like a dolphin. It looks like evolution sketched a monster, then decided to keep it. And the wild part is that this animal is still alive, still hunting, and still slipping through the deep ocean right now. Its scientific name, Alepisaurus, is often translated as something close to scaleless lizard, which already sounds like a warning label. And in a very literal way, that name fits, because lancetfish really are scaleless fish with smooth skin instead of protective body armor. That bare skin makes the animal look oddly unfinished, almost naked for something so predatory. It also makes the fish seem even longer and more serpent-like as it moves through the water. Then comes the size. A long-nosed lancetfish can grow to more than 7 feet long, which means it can be as long as a tall human but far stranger to look at. Now imagine that animal cruising not near the shore, but more than a mile below the surface. Down there, sunlight disappears, pressure builds to crushing levels, and the ocean starts to feel like another planet. Lancetfish still move through that darkness as if they belong there. Scientists suspect they are ambush predators, and that idea makes sense, because their gelatinous muscles are not built for long, high-speed chases. So instead of racing after prey, a lancetfish may drift, wait, and then explode into action when something wanders too close. And when that strike happens, the mouth is the part you remember. Those teeth are built to grab slippery prey and stop it from escaping. Studies of stomach contents show lancetfish eat fish, squid, crustaceans, and even other lancetfish. Yes, this deep-sea oddity is also a cannibal. Scientists are especially interested in lancetfish stomachs because the prey inside is often found in unusually intact condition, almost like the fish collected deep-sea samples for them. That makes lancetfish a weird but incredibly useful window into the hidden food web of the open ocean. But the strangest detail may be their reproduction. Lancetfish are simultaneous hermaphrodites, meaning one individual carries both male and female reproductive tissue at the same time. In a vast deep-sea world where meeting another member of your species may not happen often, that is the kind of biological twist that feels both bizarre and strangely practical. The deeper scientists look into lancetfish, the less they feel like ordinary fish, and the more they feel like survivors from an older blueprint of life. They are scaleless, oversized, deep-diving, prehistoric-looking, and unsettling even by deep-sea standards. So the next time someone says the age of sea monsters is over, remember this: the lancetfish is still down there, gliding through the dark like evolution forgot to hide it. What makes the lancetfish so fascinating is not just that it looks strange. It is that almost every fact about it sounds like something invented for a sea monster story, yet it is completely real. A fish with no scales, a body longer than many people are tall, teeth built like traps, and a life spent in deep black water already feels unbelievable. Then you learn it can swallow a shocking variety of prey, sometimes even its own kind, and suddenly it feels less like a fish and more like one of the ocean's hidden experiments. In a strange way, the lancetfish is not just a predator of the deep. It is also a messenger from it. So the next time someone says the age of sea monsters is over, remember this: the lancetfish is still down there, gliding through the dark like evolution forgot to hide it. If you liked this fact, drop a like, leave a comment, and follow for more weird science.